In this video, we will have a closer look on positioning of product models. As we can see down to the left, we find information about the selected light fixture. We also have a real-time amount of positioned light fixtures used in the project. Let's now change the position number of this product model. We can see that 25 is available, and we change the position marking. And as we can see, it took effect immediately. Position symbols are added automatically when inserting or copying product models. Let's copy CAD's electric symbol and see how it works. And as you can see, the markings are joining as well. And if we delete an object, the marking is removed, of course, as well. And if we move the position marking, it will be in relation to the element. So if we now move the element, the relation will be the same. Same will be if you rotate. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.